Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Virgos. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Astronomer of Spheres, Four of Spheres, and Death in reverse. So in your circumstances, Virgos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have people who are really concerned about you, guys. Maybe there is someone really close to you, someone who has your truthful concern for you. And this person is here to guide you and help you. And maybe they are a very compassionate person. Maybe they are helping you financially, or they are willing to help you in every possible way. And this person is quite close to you. It may be your family member, it may be your sibling or a parent, and they are a really protective person. They are trying to protect you, guys. And you are, feeling really, you are confiding to this person, maybe talking to them freely, telling them your ideas or your problems, and you are trying to get their ideas or suggestions on certain thing, their counsel or guidance in your circumstances. So some kind of you are discussing your circumstance with this person, and they are a really kind and compassionate person, guys. That is the reason you are confiding in them and you feel that you can trust them. So it may be your person you love, or it may be someone close to you, maybe a family member. So you are telling this person, maybe certain things are not going as expected in your work situation, maybe, or in your relationship. You have huge dreams and aspirations for yourself, and the way your circumstances are going, some lack of a positive change or transformation, you feel that you are nowhere near your dreams and goals. Your plans are being foiled. So some lack of clarity, some troubles you are seeing. That may be the reason you want this person's help or guidance. And maybe this person you are with, guys, maybe this person who is helping you, maybe they are helping you just to create an image for themselves. So if it is your person who is helping you today, guys, maybe they are doing it just for reputation. For some of you they may have truthful concern on you, guys. So if that is the case, if you feel that you cannot trust this person, you should not reveal whatever is the truth in your heart, guys. You must be careful with them. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Fortune's Wheel. So looks like this is a destined connection, guys. That is the reading. We see maybe we see certain things going in a positive way, and certain things are quite negative, what we were speaking about with the previous cards. So sometimes you feel that you can trust them, but sometimes you cannot. And maybe for some of you, this person is doing something to get a good name or for just for their reputation. So you must be careful. So the reason for these conflicting energies, maybe it may be destiny working in this relationship. So whatever is destined to happen, that is what is going to happen today. So some inevitable changes or inevitable circumstances are what I see for you guys, Virgos. So if it is true love you have for this person, this relationship may work, guys. If not, it may not work. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So for your career situation, we have Ace of Spheres. So some positive opportunities are coming in your work situation. Something may some lucrative offers may come your way and you will be happy for it, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have Cosmic Heart. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you have faced a lot of trials, a lot of difficulties, struggles, and you're trying to understand the reason for things going in a particular way, or the reason for maybe you're resisting something, resisting some changes or some circumstances. But whatever it is you do, maybe you feel really uncomfortable today, but you need to understand that life is unfolding just as it should. Maybe whether you understand it or not, whether you accept it or not. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So in your circumstances today, you need some clarity or some kind of understanding, and you are attempting to hold on to things you don't want to lose, maybe, and you don't want to let go, and you don't want to change yourself. Maybe your circumstances are pushing you towards some changes, and you feel that you cannot handle those changes, or handle a change in your the way you are, or in your situation. So you are resisting some change happening to you or happening to your circumstances. But you need to understand that you don't need to know what is going on, guys. Maybe sometimes life will unfold some circumstances, some things we may not understand, but it will be for our own good. So universe is aligning some changes for you today in your life, guys. Maybe in your personal life or in your career situation, whatever it is, and it is that divine destiny that is being delivered to you, whether you like it or not, or whether you understand it or not. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Why. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our life, in this relationship, we often we often go through certain circumstance, we often engage in our relationships, maybe our feelings are not always logical. Maybe now you need to try to understand whether these feelings are triggered by something of the past. Maybe what is the motivation behind these behavior of yours. You need to ask yourself why you are feeling this way, or why you said certain things to this person. So you need to spend time in introspection, thinking about what needs to be done. Listen to the messages from your intuition deep down within you. What does it tell about yourself? So, life is a deep understanding of our needs and how to get them, guys. So, we need to uncover deep down in our heart, we will know why we are expecting certain things or why we are behaving in such a way. So, these powerful questions we can ask ourselves and our partner today. So, that is going to uncover the answers. What is the true intentions we have in our situation? If it is true love we have towards this person, that is the reason for our behavior or for our words, we can go ahead. But if the answer is something of the past, maybe we want to say some things to this person, some unresolved issues we have with our past person, and we just take it out on this person we are with. So, if that is the case, that is the motive behind this relationship, we must think again whether we need this connection. So, we need to be clear about the motives we have today towards this person, towards this relationship, guys. So, that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So, thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.